This is the dry ice fog machine. I'm getting it ready right now for a test run. Heating up the water. We'll see how long that's going to take. I just built this. It took me about 2 days to build. And here's an aluminum pan with a heating element in it. And then there is a strainer pan. It's on a lever to lower that down into the water. But you have to fill that up with dry ice. Right here is a PVC pipe that goes down about 2 inches from the bottom of this drum, this plastic drum. It goes up, and I used a light shield for the funnel part, and this is the fan. And it's pushing, or pulling, I should say, pulling the air up out of the drum. So any of the dry ice fog that drops, it'll suck it in that PVC tube and bring it up out of here. I also hooked up a light up here at the top, and it's a red light, hopefully to give the fog some color when it comes up and out. Now I'm getting ready to check the water to see what the temperature is like. It's been running for maybe about 2 minutes now, so I'm going to shut this off and check that. Okay. The dry ice has been placed into the basket. It's been about 6 minutes. The water is good and hot. I closed the back door. I'm getting ready to drop the pan into the hot water. There we go. Now the fan is on high right now. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to try putting that fan on low. There we go. You can hear that dry ice bubbling in that hot water. Not loud, it's very quiet. There is a fog that's making its way down the hallway. The dry ice fog machines, the fog drops, where the other fog machines has an oil that it burns, and that just smokes up everything. I prefer this. This looks a lot better. And it doesn't have the odor. We'll try it without the fan and see what kind of see it coming out some of the holes over here and around the door. It works better with the fan on low. Just pulls it right up and out. Not sure how long that will go. I think it was 1 pound of dry ice. I'm going to keep an eye on it and time it and see how long this takes. Okay, this is looking inside. Looks pretty neat. You can see the fog rolling out of the pan and into the bottom. Just taking my hand, lifting it. It's still warm, still lukewarm. So it's working good. That's the fan pulling that out from the bottom and blowing it up. It's a good thing I had that in here, because that's really helped this out. I think I might try to seal this door more and the holes so that the whole drum can fill up with the fog and not have it come out the back. This is actually the back side of the fog machine. But I'm very pleased with how it's working. I'm going to close this up. I'll check it in a few minutes. Okay. I shut the heater off, the heater element. I shut that off. Getting ready to unplug everything. There's just a couple pieces of the dry ice in the basket left. It ran a good 12 minutes with good fog coming out with about 1 pound of ice. I'm looking at probably that basket will hold roughly 4 pounds of dry ice. And I did bust the ice up. It was one block, and I did bust it up into small pieces. I added 1 bucket of water, which that pot will probably hold two buckets. And I think the next time I'm going to put 2 buckets of water in there. So I have more water and more dry ice. Also, I'm going to seal up the holes and try to get the door sealed up a little bit better. And we should be good. This is the homemade dry ice fog machine. Next it's going to get painted a flat black. Oh yeah, and that black hose that's sticking out, that's a drain hose for that pot. So in the bottom of that pot, you can see it. I mounted a faucet so I can open that up and drain that pot out. That's it.